F***ing sea snake. Sorry.
Sure, you can go. Oh my god, I'm not sure about that.
They're after us. You drive with no license. Yep. Gonna unlock our castle. Alright, so we decided that we're not getting enough massages. We're not making good use of the fact that we are in the land of cheap massages. And we said that let's just make our morning plan for the day at a massage parlor while getting a massage. Because we wasted time at home anyways, trying to decide what to do. And that 1 hour, we can just be getting a massage. So what we're doing, we just woke up, wore a shirt, brushed teeth, put on our flip-flops, and heading to get a massage now. And we'll know what we'll do today in about 1 hour after getting a massage. And this is the exit to our street. Really hectic here. We don't have money, right? Yeah, sad. No. Biggest pill possible. Or the small thing. Pharmacy. I heard they sell antibiotics over the counter here. I like her hat more. I want a longer one. Get whatever that guy's wearing. Rice farmer, I guess. The red outfit, whatever that is. That's next part of my costume.
Oh, banh mi. This is banh mi we ate yesterday.
Apparently there's a famous banh mi place we're gonna eat there. We ate like, I think 3 last night. Doner kebab. Here we can get some information. There's a rice farm, staggered like that. Trash, trash. Trash.
Oh, Market Street. Durian.
That's a durian. Mango? Mango? 50. Mango. What is zucchini? No. Can I see? It's durian?
I think so.
Yeah, it smells.
What does it taste like?
It tastes good. I don't know.
Doesn't smell that bad to me.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, this is for seating probably.
Wait. Well, let's see what else Market Street has to offer.
This is durian, yeah? Meat. Cool.
Eggs. Make a whole meal here. And so it's the veggies, fresh. Photo. Having a little traffic issue. What is this, like some sort of fish? Oh, look at her knife skills.
Look how thin those slices are.
What's this?
Rau muống.
Rau muống. Đây là măng. Đây là cà chua. Ăn được. Ăn được nhưng mà mình.
No, eat. Oh, this is parsley, yeah?
Đấy, ăn sống cũng được.
Bok choy, I know this. Flowers.
For your Vietnamese girlfriend.
Fish. Oh, it's still alive.
This is what I'm afraid of when swimming. F***ing sea snake. Oysters, maybe some sort of shell food.
Skipping it out. She's cooking rice there.
She's washing the bag there. Everyone's doing something. Only me and John. We're the laziest people here. No work, only massage. Ooh, pineapple. So nice looking. Ginger, garlic. What's this? Onion? No. Meat. Can you sell meat open like this? Is it safe? Chicken. Oh, what's this for? Never seen that one. That's a QR code. I don't know. Fortunately, you can't talk to anyone, so sheep cutting there. So fast.
Pineapple?
30.000.
How much?
30.000.
Turkey.
Ngon lắm. Ngon. Người ta xanh. Người ta xanh.
Let's see. Let's see 20. Okay. 20? 20?
30 là 30.000. 30 là đầy bán.
Need 10 more.
20, 30.
Nice plastic money, you know, it doesn't rip. We got our pineapple. Cool. Dragon fruits.
21.
20. And this? 20. Mango. 20. Cut? Yeah, let's get a mango too. Down. Mango, mango? Mango, mango. What's the difference? I guess yellow mango seems brighter and happier and...
Close bag.
Thank you. It's already in a bag. Individual bag and the bag for the bag. And then the bag for the bag. And I'm just going to try a bit. Mango. It's really good. Alright, well, no longer have to worry about breakfast. That's good. Ooh, looking pineapple. It's good. Good.
Are these hats?
Everyone has these hats. But that only like rice farmers have these hats, but like just a hat that you wear. It would be like really nice in the sun. Like an umbrella that you don't have to carry.
Yeah, it also protects you from the rain.
Yeah. Delivery by Grab. Just finished the massage. Made absolutely no plans. So we just came to a famous banh mi place. I don't know why it's famous, but
You see what's all Westerners here?
so we got 4 barbecue pork and beef with cheese, 2 each. Look at this line. When we came, no one's here. But now, at least 20 people. Gotta find a table to sit. Maybe there's a table seller. It's like all markets, everyone's selling something. From locks to door handles, everything here.
Which one's this one? Like the steak and cheese one? With the barbecue pork, probably.
Barbecue pork and sausage. Really good. So we found a deal on these Vietnamese. You buy 6, you get 1 something. I don't know what it is. So we decided to buy 6. They only sell 5. Maybe that's a trick. But no, he's going inside to get 1 more. Can we get 1 more? And 6 more. Seems like no one in Vietnam has made this sort of request before. That's the taste that she has. But we're from America. We sell beer in a 36-pack. More is coming. And then boba. This is gonna be a lot of liquid, but maybe boba later then. This is dirty. I don't want to put beer in this and drink it. And then I thought I'd wash it with water, but then I thought Coke is a little acidic. You know, you can wash it with it. Yeah, makes sense. And now we need to buy water to rinse our hands. I'm not gonna use my hands. Oh, you're even smarter. There's only 4. Need to fit 2 more in here. Now we're gonna walk to the train market and then some palace square. We're walking. Gotcha? All right. They're paying 100. Enjoying our city tour. The Ho Chi Minh Palace with our beers. Soldier approves. 4 people. Oh. First red light I've seen. Alright, payment time. Yeah, 1. There is. Okay. Communism, we share everything. Yes. I lost 1 beer. It's okay. Friends. Very red, very communist. Lots of flags. I saw a Lenin statue. But this building might be serious, so we're not going to be drinking and, you know, being disrespectful there. We'll just walk around in the yard for a bit and see what's up. See the glorious communist flag and the memorial for Ho Chi Minh.
It's a nice squad.
Park that you can walk around. But it's a serious place. 20 minutes. That's for 15. Electric. Good deal. Maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes.
drifting and next to the Lenin statue. We might get a DUI though. Might be an issue. We'll see. Let's finish these and we'll get two. Also next to the flagship tower or something like that. You know, there's a game called Towers of Hanoi, but I've never seen 3 towers next to each other. There are probably 3 towers right next to each other. You gotta find those 3 towers. I like that game. Actually, I don't. It's just a simple game. Once you figure it out, it's always the same. I'm doubtful that this thing can, I don't know if it can carry me. Alright, let's start the timer. 4. 420. Good. Money now? Okay.
So hard to drive this thing. It's so hard.
My favorite thing ever now. I have no idea how to drive this thing.
Sorry. Almost hit that lady. I'm accidentally hitting people. I have no idea how to drive this. I have no idea what's going on. It's just a random direction. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out.
What Tobacco. Tobacco? I'm going to.
Oh, beer. Maybe we can buy beer here. There's like a park where everyone's like gambling. It's always a different game. So, never seen this game before in my life. In their sandals, they always sneak like some, not sneak, but like they hide money. So I think it's like illegal to gamble. Because the guy was saying like, don't open this and so on.
Interesting game. Cards, Chinese cards.
Let's see the other games. Park of local men. Oh, and then they smoke out of these like tobacco bongs. I'll show you. This guy had one.
Oh, they got the Chinese game again.
Interesting. Oh, how much? 50. 50 dong for a Vietnamese haircut. The corner of the street. What do you think? You get a little trim. Get my sides done. I think you should get it bleached. Bleach my hair? Oh no.
This guy looks like a skillful barber. Your shop is here? Train coffee. You want train coffee? I don't know where we are going. Okay. Yeah, I don't quite understand this place. Like, they say don't cross the tracks, but there are houses inside, and this guy is gonna write us a ticket. No crossing. No? How did they get there?
Ah, from the back. Secret way. Alright, leaving the house to meet my friend John. We're gonna go out in Hanoi, second night out. Here I am wearing my Grab shirt. We bought the shirt last night for 100,000 Vietnamese dongs from an actual local Grab driver. So now I can walk around like a local. You know, everyone's gonna think that I've been living here for 5 days. This is our house, sleeping. This is how you lock it. You got a padlock here. You gotta lock it like this. Then you also have a secondary key. You probably can't see. Put this in there. And then one turn, and alright. And then you walk through this sketchy alley. Then you're out on the streets of Hanoi. No one's here right now. Normally it's a very busy street with motorcycles like this driving all the time. Maybe you die, maybe you don't. I just went home to grab some stuff. My friend John, he's already ordering food for us. If you live here, you gotta have a moped. Carry your family, your wife, child, all 3-4 people on the same moped. You gotta have one. Alright, let's start our restaurant. I hope the food is ready.
Yes, the food is ready.
Cool. Even have a beer. This is our food. Noodles and beef. The flavor is really good. Meat's a bit tough, but
Flavor's good. Noodles are good too.
You know how to ride, right? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes. I know. Don't worry.
You want to go?
Yeah. Get in the back, bro.
Go there.
We go around the lake
Okay, we
with
go around the lake.
my bee friend.
Okay, let's go. Hold on. Okay. Let's go. Right. You can go, right? Make sure you can go. Oh my god, I'm not sure about that.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, I will trust you. Only one time.
Alright.
Can go, right?
Yes.
Sure. Let's go. Can I hold the camera like this?
However you want, man.
Woo!
Yeah. Red, do we stop or go? In red lights? That was
Nice.
Okay.
Well done.
Carry on. No one hit us, please. No taxi. Whoop, coming, please. 40 minutes.
Okay, I'm on my way. Woo! Okay.
All right. Back to where we started. Mr. B. Hello. Oh,
Bye, sir.
my bad. See you later. Good trip. You got anything? Police. Yes, gone. They're after us. You drive with no license. All right. Anyways, it was a good trip around the lake with our bee friend. He just let us drive his moped. Fun time in Vietnam. Random joyride. I just talked to him and he said, "Do you want to drive around the lake?" Can't believe I drove in this hectic city. What's this truck doing? You're close. Yeah, but I messaged you. You didn't reply. I would pay $15 just to go in this cave. Apparently they look like chicken, so they're called the fighting cockstones. We got our way to the bus station, so hopefully the bus driver waits for us.